Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to do some smoked salmon cream pasta. I'm using a fettuccine. You could be using any pasta you want. This is super easy. I really mean that. Hardly anything to it. Tastes absolutely divine. Let's go and take a look at what we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to start just over here. Salt, pepper, some oregano, like a teaspoon of oregano or another dried herb, onions, garlic. Now I've got quite a lot of garlic in my one. I want it to be kind of fairly garlic heavy. Our smoked salmon, I've got like 200 grams there. Pasta, you can be using any pasta you want. Get that cooked. I'm using a fettuccine, but spaghetti, penne, fusilli, up to you, all works. And then our cream. There's just over a cup, like a cup and a half of cream there. Now I'm using a nice thick cream. You can be using any cream that you want, thin, runny or thick. So easy. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. Okay, so I've got some olive oil in a pan here. Simply to that we're going to add our onion. I've cut mine nice and small, as you can see. Garlic, like I said, I'm putting in quite a lot of garlic. You might want a bit less. Salt and pepper, dried herb, which is oregano for me. Let's throw that around in the pan just for like 3 minutes. Okay, wonderful. Really simply, let's get that cream and get it in there. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some olives, some capers, some sun-dried tomatoes in here. I'm keeping this nice and basic. Okay, with the cream in, let's get this moving. I've lowered the heat, by the way. About another 2 minutes. Keep stirring. Look at that, wonderful. Just 2 minutes that was. Now we're going to get our smoked salmon and we're going to drop that in. Let's just really roughly cut it up. And we're going to grab our pasta. In that goes. And just for like 2 minutes now, let's just run some heat through this pasta and the sauce. And this beautiful baby is done. It's that easy. Let's see at the table. Okay, and there you go. What I've done with that is I've just put a little bit of dill on there and a little bit of smoked salmon just to decorate the top. Absolutely wonderful, super easy, as I'm sure you'll agree. Hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.